Hey guys, today we're going to do a logo. It is fantastic and I want to know if you can do it. The way we're going to start is using a DVD, an old one. You make sure it's okay first. We're going to use an old one to make the round circle.
I am so excited to be doing this today. I'm so glad you're here.
We are doing a logo from a super YouTuber, the Kids Diana Show. It's great and I know y'all love it.
Now we'll use the DVD as a template and make a ring all the way around it. You can use your crayon or your marker, something that will write.
We're going to make the D. Notice where I start and I go around. It's like almost like an upside down teardrop. It just gets smaller at the bottom and larger at the top. Then I'm going to kind of follow it around for the D, and it gets a little bit thicker right there, and follow the rest of the way. And you have your D. And it wobbles out a little thicker here on the D right there. So just go with it. It's not a perfect line. It wobbles in and out. So have fun. Just notice where I start on the D and where I end on the D for the end of the petal. Okay, so now we're at the bottom of the D and we're going to wrap around that corner, and we're stopping before we get all the way to the D and touching the circle and coming back. Done.
Okay, I have a riddle. Tell me what has ears but cannot hear. Does anybody out there know? Anybody? A cornfield.
Okay guys, now we're just going to paint the petals that we've drawn. Paint them a deep purple.
So you will use a brown if you want to do it just like Diana's logo. But I'm going to use a purple, and I think let's just have fun.
You can use whatever you have, a marker, a Sharpie, a highlighter, a crayon, a colored pencil. Now we're going to color in the center of the D, the same color. Like I said, it's supposed to be brown, but we'll just substitute purple today.
Okay, one more little joke. Why did the tomato blush? You know, that's when you turn all red and you get embarrassed. Anybody know why? Because he saw the salad dressing.
Now we're going to add some bright pink to it, and it's going to be beautiful.
Thank you guys for being here, and we'll see you on the next draw. Bye-bye.